Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about suicide prevention, a resource for media professionals, how to report suicide. I'm Dr. Suresh Bharatmat, Professor of Psychiatry and also Head of Telemedicine Center, Head of Forensic Psychiatry Services at NIMANS, Bangalore. Association between media and suicide is well known. One of the earliest part is well documented in 17th century in a novel called as The Sorrow of Young Werther. This was written by Goethe. In this, the Werther shoots himself with a pistol after he is rejected by the woman he loves. So, after this novel was released, a similar kind of suicide was noted everywhere. So, this was the earliest association noted between media and suicide. At the same time, there were numerous studies which have been well documented whenever there is a celebrity dies and it is covered by the media. It may be called as high impact journalism or what we call it as news. Whenever it happens, there was a contagious suicide was noted. That means there was a spike in suicide in general population. It is also called as copycat suicide. Basically, the copycat suicide are those whenever there are two or more suicide cases occurs with the close proximity of the celebrity suicide, which have been very well or high impact news or the media has covered this. And this has been studied very well. Of course, there are numerous articles which discusses about the celebrity suicide or the coverage of the suicide by sensationalizing in the media. Coming to this contagious suicide, or also called as copycat suicide, what does it happen? In this, there is basically imitative suicidal behavior which is done by the fans or the followers. They are usually youngsters and they are all basically following this person or the character, and it will be done by those people who are highly psychologically slightly depressed and they are all suggestible personalities, and usually it occurs between 2 days to 2 weeks. That's the commonest which we have seen, and they use the similar methods of suicide which the celebrity has done. Hence, World Health Organization came up with the best practices and recommendations for reporting suicide. So in 2008, WHO clearly documented and also said that preventing suicide, a resource for media professionals guideline was released. Similarly, in 2019, Press Council of India also came up with the guideline, and this guideline is available. And it also in the guideline mentioned that Mental Health Care Act 2017 also has to be printed and widely disseminated by the journalist. So this was a landmark legislation, along with the Press Council also noted this. Further, what are the things the media should do and what are the things media should not do? We will start with the way the journalism deal it. We'll start with the negative things. What are the media should avoid? For example, media should not describe or depict the method and the location of the incident very graphically. Sharing the content of the suicide note, that should never be done. Describing the personal details of the person who died. Presenting suicide as a common or a solution for any kind of problem. This should never be done. You should never normalize a suicide. Telling that, yes, it happens, and if you are in trouble, please do commit suicide. That should not happen. Repeating the story many times in the journal or in the media should be avoided as much as possible. And also, the media and the journalist should stop speculating the reason for the suicide. And also, they should not make sensationalizing the headlines or the details of the death. They should also not glamorize or romanticize this suicide. And also, these suicide articles or the news should be placed in the end of the either in the news article or in the journal. And they should avoid showing the photographs or video footage of the suicide. This should be very, very careful and should not be done. What are the media should do? The media should keep the information very generic not specific to the suicide. Report that a note was found and under investigation if there is a suicide notice available. And keep the information about the person as general as possible, not specific. If there is a police investigation is going with regard to abatement of suicide or a murder, please, the journalism or the journalist should not do media trial. This is very essential. This will impact the whole population. Utilize this opportunity to educate the public on suicide. Maybe statistics, what are the common reasons, and also encourage people to seek help. Educate the people about the suicide warning signs, what are the high risk factors like mental illness, relationship problem, financial problem, how to seek help, what are the coping skills. And the journalist and the media should also provide some of the coping techniques, support, available treatment, and also provide helpline numbers where the help is available. And also, whenever there is a reporting is done, they have to be sensitive about the grieving family. So these simple tips is essential for reporting suicide. At the same time, the media also should counter the perception that the suicide was tied to a heroism, honor, loyalty to any individual group should be avoided. And also politicizing the suicidal death should be avoided at any cost. And placing these articles or the media in the end should be done, not in the front page. And they also should burst the myths about the suicide in general population. There may be various myths about the suicide that should be stopped. And also, the media should educate the public about the Mental Health Care Act, Section 115. Let's discuss about Mental Health Care Act of 2017. Section 115 clearly says that whoever attempts to commit suicide will be considered as presumption of severe stress. What does 115 says? Notwithstanding anything containing in the section 309 of Indian Penal Code, any reason or any person who attempts to commit suicide shall be presumed, unless proved otherwise, to have a severe stress and shall not be tried under section 309. So section 309 IPC, basically it's a old Indian Penal Code which clearly said that whoever attempts to commit suicide shall be punishable for 1 year imprisonment with or without fine. This section 309, punishing a person who has attempted suicide, came in the way of providing help and also person who is seeking help, because they will be arrested. And also the person, the doctor or the psychiatrist who is providing care, was also worried that he has to report this person to the police. So this was a big ethical and a legal dilemma which the doctors and also the patient who is seeking help were facing it. So section 115 clearly said that the person who has attempted suicide will not be punished and it will be considered as presumed as a stress. But if the police is able to prove that it is not because of stress, still 309 holds good. Further, section 115 subsection 2 says that the appropriate government shall have a duty to provide care and treatment and rehabilitation to a person with severe stress who has attempted to commit suicide to reduce the risk of recurrence. Earlier, section 309, the government or the state wanted to punish. Now, Mental Health Care Act section 115 clearly says that it is the obligation of the state government to provide care, treatment and rehabilitation for a person who has attempted suicide. To conclude, my dear friends, suicide is a public health issue. Approximately 140,000 people are dying every year in India. So whenever the media is reporting about the suicide, especially celebrity, or reporting about a death of a student or somebody with regard to suicide, they should also provide resources, information about the coping skills. They should use appropriate language. They should emphasize the availability of help and also hope. If possible, if they are able to interview a psychiatrist or mental health professionals on the suicide prevention, would be excellent. So thank you very much for patient listening, and also I request all the media people to have a responsible reporting regarding the suicide. Stay safe.